Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Civic head unit. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's negative battery terminal. Next, gather your necessary tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. It's also a good idea to have an 8mm socket wrench handy for certain bolts. Finally, place a soft cloth over your dashboard to protect it from any accidental scratches during the process. Now, let's move on to removing the trim panels. Begin by carefully prying around the edges of the dashboard trim surrounding the head unit. Use your plastic trim removal tool to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Once the trim is loose, you might find 1 or 2 Phillips head screws that need to be removed. Remember to gently disconnect any electrical connectors, like those for the cigarette lighter, before fully removing the trim pieces. With the trim panels out of the way, you'll now have access to the head unit itself. Typically, there are about 4 to 6 screws, often 8mm bolts or Phillips head screws, securing the unit. Carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the head unit forward from the dashboard opening. This will expose the various wiring harnesses and the antenna cable at the back. Disconnect all of these by pressing their release tabs. Once all the wires are disconnected, you can carefully slide the head unit completely out of its slot. Congratulations, you've successfully removed it. When you're ready to install a new unit or reassemble, simply reverse these steps. Make sure all electrical connections are firmly seated and all screws are tightened. Before snapping all the trim panels back, it's a good idea to test your new head unit to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.